Hey guys, this is the new radio I got today. So I'm going to get two radios this week. I was curious about this one because it reminds me of my first cassette player that I got. That was mine. I had a cassette player that looked like this way back in maybe 81, 82-ish. And before I got my boombox, and I saw this. It's branded Crosley, and it has AM/FM radio, but also shortwave. And this is interesting. That kind of made me check it out. Now, of course, I purchased it in the spirit that this might work well. If it does, I will keep it. If it doesn't, I'm not sure I will keep it. I might send it back. Will depend on what I decide if it works well or not. Reviews are mixed, but about 73%, 75% of the reviews are good in general. The 25% that's left are usually mediocre. Of course, I like to have the take about it on myself. So we're going to do the unboxing of this Crosley cassette tape radio with shortwave, actually. So one of the first things that I noticed is that it's quite heavy for a radio. I'm used to having very lightweight stuff, and when I took this box, is actually heavier than I expected. Hopefully, meaning that it might be more quality. Of course, made in China, so you know. So let's check this out. Take this off. Here we go. So what is in the box? Of course, there's a radio. There we go. Looks kind of cool. There's a power cord because this can be used as a kitchen radio. There's an internal power supply on this. And there's a warranty card. And I would guess this is the manual. So here's the manual, Crosley CT100B, I believe, or yeah, is it B? Yep, cassette player. So this is going to be cool to try out, and also try out cassettes in this thing. So let's remove the packaging, and be careful not to break anything. And here we go. Remove the... Definitely looks like one of those radios or portable radios that there were at the time. So kind of interesting. You have the in the back, it's D batteries. Uses D batteries in here, so we're going to put that in. So this should have a long play time. And of course, we'll be checking out the controls. Very sturdy here. It feels, I don't know, doesn't feel too cheap as a radio, so I don't know. We'll see how this goes. Buttons definitely respond well, and this is going to be kind of nice to check out. Of course, the standard buttons for play and record and all of that here. Record. One of the things I want to try is to record off of shortwave. See how well it does that. That could be a fun thing to do. Can play MP3s and audio files through a memory card, USB stick, and the buttons to control that are here. So I'm going to be checking that out to see how it actually performs in some of the videos coming up. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Crosley CT100B cassette player with AM/FM, shortwave, and of course media player at the same time. We'll see the audio quality coming out of this also, and how well it plays the how well does it play the cassettes. Doesn't seem to be too cheaply done compared to the old the shortwave boombox I purchased a few years ago. And as well, see, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching my videos. And by the way, the price was I had a coupon at checkout. So it mounted the price to 67 Canadian dollars. Without the $10 coupon, I would be at $77, $78 Canadian.